partly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the evening.
The power is probably going to go out. As you can see, we're getting pelted with a thunderstorm.
25 miles an hour, diminishing to around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Humid with highs in
I agree with you, Ashley. She cannot do anything for
10
herself.
miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 80s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
You are just in time to see
advisory remains in effect until 8 p.m.
something bad happen.
Where's my toolbox?
Right here.
I'm trying to beat this way.
You can't beat the rain, Landon. You just cannot beat the rain.
The Weather Service in Wilmington has issued an excessive heat warning, which is in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For Greene County in Ohio, the heat advisory for Greene County.
Is it me here? Or does it look like there's a tornado?
I'm gonna get stuck in the storm.
Power's probably gonna go out.
It's already out.
No, it isn't. If this TV is on, the power is not out. If that light and that light are on, then the power's not out. Get it right, Landon. Heat advisory, we're freaking under a severe thunderstorm. Where are you all
The
going?
wind's blowing too hard. Can't sit out and watch the rain, John.
Frequent rest breaks and shaded or air-conditioned environment. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911.
This is a special weather statement. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect northeastern Warren, northern Ross, western Pickaway, eastern Montgomery, southern Madison, Greene, southwestern Franklin, Fayette, northern Clinton, and southern Clark counties through 3:15 p.m. At 2:17 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms along the line extending from Vandalia to 5 miles north of London, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Wind gusts to 50 miles an hour are possible with these storms. The wind gusts may occur well ahead of any rain. Some locations that may be affected include Huber Heights, Moraine, West Carrollton, Miamisburg, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Kettering, Fairborn, Beaver Creek, Enon, London, and Bellbrook. Also, Riverside, Crystal Lakes, Overlook Page Manor, Woodbourne Hyde Park, Plattsburgh, Green Meadows, Centerville, and Holiday Valley are near the path of this line of strong thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm watch number 627 has been extended until 5 p.m. and expanded to include the following counties in Ohio: Clark, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Madison, and Pickaway. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 628, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Perry County.
Oh, darn, a security lock I put on my door. Ah, there we go. Holy crap. Our stuff's being blown away.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television.
It's on the day that I go to my dad's house too. How convenient.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Champaign.
How convenient is it that there's only storms on the days that we have to go to our dad's house?
13 p.m. Radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and winds to 60 miles an hour. This storm was
And starting today, June 7th, 7, July 11th, 2011. I'll be gone 3 weeks, which is probably why it's raining so hard.
Lake State Park, Millis Town, and Dialton are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 53 and 65. Stay indoors and delay the windows until the storm has passed. Please report hail and snow to the National Weather Service by calling 877-633-677. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Monday afternoon for southwestern Ohio.
Nathan, help me! Help! Shane, help me! Get a gun!
That's neat in there.
I don't get the gun.
I can't help you right now. You're on my team, but I can't let you in right now due to bad weather conditions. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. Or maybe not. Yeah, I will. Or maybe not.